In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting a project is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't easily bring it back with all its tasks and details. So make sure you really want to remove it, or that you have anything important backed up or copied elsewhere. First, open your browser and log into your Asana account. After you sign in, you'll land on your Asana dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel. This is your main navigation area. In this panel, look for the section labeled Projects. Under that heading, you'll see a list of your available projects. Take a moment to carefully find the specific project you want to delete. If you're working in a busy workspace with a lot of projects, you might want to double-check the name to avoid removing the wrong one. When you're sure you found the correct project, click on it. Asana will open that project in the main area of your screen, showing you all the tasks, sections, and any additional details linked to it. Now that the project is open, move your attention to the top left of the screen, near the project title. You'll see the project's name clearly displayed. Just to the right of that name, there's a small downward pointing arrow. This arrow opens the project options menu. Click on that arrow. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to managing the project. In this list, look for the option labeled Delete Project. Because this is a significant action, Asana will not delete it right away. Instead, after you click Delete Project, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is important. It will outline what exactly will be removed when you delete the project, such as its tasks, associated details, and any other linked information. Take a brief moment to read this message so you fully understand the impact of deleting this project. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, look towards the bottom right corner of that pop-up window. You'll see a button labeled Delete. Click this button to confirm your choice. Once you do that, Asana will permanently delete the project from your workspace. It will no longer appear in your project list, and its tasks will be removed as well. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a project in Asana using just a few simple steps from your main dashboard.